Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an excited video. We have here the stunning semi chiffon zari piping Jaipur print bandej sari, price at an unbelievable 600 rupees. Let's divine in and see what this sari has to offer. As we remove the packaging, we can already see the execute design and a beautiful color of this sari. The semi chiffon fabric feels light and comfortable, perfect for any occasion. The Jaipuri print added a touch of elegance, making this saree truly unique, and the zari piping work add a touch subtle and shimmer, enhancing the overall look. As we unfurl the saree, we can appreciate its length and width. It draped effortlessly and allowing for easy styling. The detailing border completes and the look with intricate pattern showcasing the fine craftsmanship. The saree also comes with a matching blouse piece and gives you a freedom to customize your outfits. Overall, this saree offers exceptional quality and style at an unbelievable price. Whether you are attending a wedding, festive celebration, or any special event, this saree will make you stand out in the crowd. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. So guys, thank you for watching our video, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more exciting video like this. Stay tuned for future review and styling tips. Until next time, if you want to purchase this saree, then also link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.